Sometimes you want to keep an eye on places where there isn't electricity or Wi-Fi. That's what the Reolink Go is all about. It is a battery-powered security camera that includes a 4G LTE modem. So you can put this pretty much anywhere. As long as you have a cellular signal, you're going to be able to keep an eye on somewhere, even remotely through a smartphone app. It has all the basic functions of security cameras. There's two-way talk, passive infrared motion detection, and it has night vision. It's also IP65 rated, which of course is important if you're going to have it outside. In terms of storing video, you have a couple of options. It has a micro SD card slot inside it, and you can put a card in there and record stuff locally, or you can use a cloud storage plan. Reolink is offering up to 10 gigabytes of cloud storage for free with its beta cloud storage service at the moment. The powering options, there's a couple of them. It has the battery in the back here. That should be good enough to last about 2 to 3 weeks of average motion detection, but of course if this is somewhere remote you don't want to be going and changing the battery every couple of weeks. So Reolink also sells a solar panel. They tell me that if you pair this solar panel with this camera, it should pretty much run indefinitely. The Reolink Go costs $250 and it's available now through Amazon.com.